guys, it's me, ZZ Nation, and today I have found some new codes to get some gems. The first code we are going to put in is Wild Lunch. Wild Lunch. So hit redeem code. I've already used it, so it's not going to give it to me again. I think it gives you like 500 gems or 700. Okay, the next code is Tropical. And it says I've already used it, and I have. I think it gives you like 700 again. All these codes are for gems. Okay, so this one is, whoops, capital N, J, K, A, J, 17. And I've left something out. Nope, no, I haven't. Okay, see, I've already used all these. I just wanted to share them with you guys, so if you haven't already got them, you can go ahead and share the gems. So those are the same ones. One of them is 17 and one of them is 18. Again, it is capital N, capital G, capital K, capital A, capital J, and then either 17 and also 18. So that is all for this one. And if you guys know of any other codes, let me know. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day and be nice to each other. Man, really.